Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday here in Texas. Me and Rui are gonna get this water heater switched out. We're here at the parts store, and we're trying to find the best sealants. We just drove all the way to Tyler. Yeah, for this bag. Yeah. This was just there.
We're pretty sure the unnameable campground that we were at before power surged and jacked our water heater up. Am I wrong? Because we heard it from an RV technician as well.
Not only that, when things get hot, it's got to send power somewhere. Whether it's destroying a water heater or destroying a rig. We got to get this fixed and going because it has been a few cold mornings and I am no longer a fan.
It was definitely a lot longer than we expected. Had a couple mishaps.
Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday here in Texas, and me and Rui, we woke up early. And well, I woke up, and then Rui tends to know when somebody wakes up or whatever. But he's always the first one up, so I brought him out here, and we're gonna get this water heater switched out, right, Rui?
Yeah.
You gonna help me?
Yeah, and then they'll McDonald's too.
Oh man, I gotta pay him McDonald's too. Me and Rui are gonna get this water heater switched out, and yeah, as you guys heard, I gotta go buy him McDonald's to pay him for labor. Pay his rent. I pay 100%. We pay 100% of your bills. I guess I can buy you some McDonald's. I just gotta find my magnet. That's about it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Get my magnet here.
Not super duper heavy, but yeah. I don't know what the hell it is.
It's just another water heater.
Oh, okay. Here.
Thank you. What is that one?
Oh. I think there's another one.
Good morning, everybody. We're here on this beautiful Saturday. And yeah, you guys can see we got our new water heater. It's Ranein at 65,000 BTU, propane, 12 volts. So we went with this water heater because of all the reviews, and I poked that hole. I did that just because there was a cut in the box. So I just wanted to check on that. But yeah, this should be a pretty easy install. What do you think, man?
I don't know.
We'll try to change out the controller. And yeah. What time is it now?
It is 10:32.
It's currently 10:32. And this will be in by 11.
11.
Oh yeah, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I gotta go in there. With all them children and work around them. So yeah, 30 minutes is pretty good. And we got the model RA65LH. It's the Pro. It's not the Max Pro. It's just the Pro. The Max Pro was like another, I think, $200, I think. Yeah, we got this one on a good deal. So the other one was like $200 more. It just had just one more feature. Oh, the weight for the water heater was.
It says no weight.
But this one takes like 5 seconds. The other one was like 2 seconds or something. So I didn't care about the 2 second wait. So yeah, I guess let's open this up. Yeah, let's see. We got the 2025 Gen II Ranein on demand 65 BTU. Yeah, so let's get it. We got this off of Amazon. We were gonna go through some other companies, but we We just went through Amazon because we travel full time. We're a family of 7. We get it done, and we travel from coast to coast, north to south, and we tend to have fun. So if you would like to try this, go try it. But we are going to put that link in our description down below so you can check this out. And if you are in the market for a new one, this may be the one. And we will give you guys, it'll be in today, which is what day? What's today? The 31st, right?
That's the 1st. It's November 1st.
What? It's almost your birthday?
Baby, your nose is bad. Baby, you made your nose all bruised.
I bruised easily. Let's get this. Come on, let's quit playing around. Let's get this installed and have some fun. See you guys inside.
Yeah, do it.
So this here, come on. So these here are my power, and then this is to my controller that's on the wall. So I don't think I'm gonna have to pull some wire for that. I think I'll be able to use this wire and just, yeah, we'll see. But so we're gonna take our power. We'll take this off. We'll leave the Wacos with power. Take power from the from the water heater. Now it has no 12 volt. These are safe to just put. So then this, the one with the yellow is your negative. So release that. And release this one. And then these ones. So we got that. Boom. Just like that, that's out. You are going to need a towel because there is some water in the lines. The water is off outside. The power is turned off to the water heater itself. So let's go and see how much water this is going to leak. Get these out of the way. Because water and electrical does not go together. Before I take off the gas, yes, it is off outside. So I'm gonna get this started, get this taken care of, get this out of here, and get that new one in here.
Now we're here, what?
We're here at the parts store, and we're trying to find the best sealant.
That's for roofs.
But it's clear though, and it seals everything that goes through the roof.
Huh.
So I just want something that's...
It's got to be down the same aisle that stuff's thrown. Get one of those though, right?
Yeah, we're here.
May as well.
So just like when you live in a house, you have projects. This is our project, and we don't do them very often, so we don't. Well, we have all this stuff, but it is back home. And you know, we don't have sticks and bricks. We just have a place to store our stuff. So yeah, that's where this is. We just drove all the way to Tyler. Yeah, for this bag.
Yeah.
This was just there, and we thought it was a good idea.
Yeah.
So we've never really experienced camping world, but yeah, we came here because it was closest where we are. There's no RV places. We looked online, and where they say there is one,
Closed.
and we get there, there's nothing. So we drove all the way here because, you know, camping world.
Watch your caulking.
Yeah, my caulking's coming out because, you know, we took out the old water heater, and I thought
Somebody's very excited to have warm water. It's okay.
No, but I thought we had beetle tape, beauty tape, whatever you want to call it, at home, and we have none. So, and then we thought we ordered some, and no, it did not come. It's supposed to come like Monday or something, and I'm not waiting until then. So I drove all the way here to get this bag, and this was just a necessity. Just like that, we're back. So we had to go to the store. We had to get some
beetle tape,
beauty tape,
whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. We had to go get some of this because I did not want to put this in the wrong way, because we do things the right way here most of the time. Whether it takes us a little bit longer or not, we tend to do it the right way. So we went and got some caulking so we could caulk that up and get that get this water heater in for good until the time we get rid of this thing. Whether it's trade it in, keep it for a little bit longer, and see how long we can make this baby last. So yeah, unbox this with us, and we'll check it out together. And this is the Ranein Pro. I'm not sure what it comes with. So
What?
I hope that's not all the screws, man. Because if that's all the screws, I'm gonna have to go get some more screws from the store, man. I don't even want to take this thing out of the box. It's so nice. Woo, snap. But it's coming out. Oh man, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm sticking it. Man.
We're pretty sure the unnameable campground that we were at before power surged and jacked our water heater up. Am I wrong?
You are not wrong.
Because we heard it from an RV technician as well. Wrong?
Not only that, when things get hot, it's got to send power somewhere. Whether it's destroying a water heater or destroying a rig. So, listen, this little fuse here, this is like if you have any problems or anything, they give you the service number right there. I think we're gonna have to go get Strish because I don't see nothing in here, right?
Hold on.
Mommy! I love you!
Hold on. There you go.
Alright guys, don't mind my mess in here. Alright guys, I got this all buttoned up. And yes, my hot water. I went from hot to cold water, back to hot. But it's gonna work. That's all that matters. We gotta get this fixed and going, because it has been a few cold mornings and I am no longer a fan. So I got it all wired up. Got the new controller wired up, and I will show you guys that. But it was pretty easy process to get the old one out and the new one in. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and fire it up, see what it does.
What are you doing? Feel it. It's hot. You said check it out. Feel it or what? Hot water. That was definitely a lot longer than we expected. Had a couple mishaps, but it's in. No fault of Huston's, and looks good.
I wonder if that's like gonna be like that or what, you know? Guys, that took a little bit longer than expected. We had some delays. Got that new water heater in, and it got quieter, right?
Yeah.
Man, is it great to have hot water back. Until then, like, subscribe, show your friends don't miss out. Hit that follow button. And if you haven't already, go check out our previous videos, because we just installed a new water heater, so you guys are gonna want to check this out. Later.